welcome back to another video, and today we are going to go back to the track, and this time we haven't made many changes, but we are running front true skinny drag radials. Obviously the car's not on drag radials right now, but we are going to be putting the drag pack on with the drag radials. And right now, before we actually put them on, we're going to go ahead and weigh the new front skinnies and see just how much lighter they are compared to the old front weld drag radials that I had, and see how that helps out at the track. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, new to my videos, my name is Jorge, and of course here we have a 2019 10-speed automatic Camaro SS, and I've been doing a lot of mods. You guys can go back and check through my videos where I've gone and done a few things. So this car's got intake, headers, and E85 only with a full drag pack, and with the 18 by 8 inch wide front weld wheels, the car ran an 11.7 at 120 about a week, 2-3 weeks ago. Alright guys, so here we have it, 34.2 pounds. So the whole front wheel weighs about 34.2. Now if you guys remember in an older video where I weighed them, and I'll put the link of that in the description up on a card or something, the older one, actually the older front 18 by 8 weighed in at about 49 pounds. So we're saving right about 15 pounds, guys. I think that's the right math. Yes, 15 pounds per side. So that's a total of 30 pounds of rotational weight. That is quite a bit, a lot, and hopefully we'll see the gains at the track. Well guys, there they are. Look at how small those front runners are. I mean, I don't know if you were able to see it there, but man, check this out. Look at that. That is very, very, very small compared to the wide tire in the back. These are the 28 inch tall M&H front runners with the 305/45 17 in the back. Alright guys, we are here at the track, and as you can see, it is empty, which is how we want it. Driving with the radials in the back and the bias plies in the front actually was not bad at all. Woo, that's nice. Car drove great, felt really good. We'll see how it feels once we get on and get some real speed on these things. I am going to be using this. It's a draggy, and I'll probably explain another video of what this does. It's basically GPS data record, kind of like a V-Box. So I'm going to try to record and compare track slips to what the draggy tells us. And one other thing that this lets me do is also record with my phone and overlay all the data. So if it works, then you guys will see it in the footage that's coming up. But for now, we just got here, and I'm gonna go ahead and do one quick hot lap, see how it does, and then come back, let it cool down, and go from there, guys. We are going now, and we'll see how this works. Hopefully the car does well and we see some improvements. Right now we're gonna turn traction control off completely, including the stability track. Make sure we get a nice little burnout, and then we'll see how this car does. Okay, First pass down, hot lapped. Woo! All right, guys. Already, first pass, we just got here and it's already gone the fastest that it's ever gone. And right around what I thought it was gonna do, guys. I was hoping for about 1/10 of a second faster and almost 1 mile an hour faster, and right from the street, just getting here, not even letting the car cool down, 1165 at almost 121, 120.7 miles an hour. 60 foot was 1.76, and I know I can do better. I've done better. I've done like a 1.74. Just left right off of idle. Man, yes! These Skinnies, whoo! The weight really made a difference. Really made a difference. So we're gonna let the car cool down for a little bit. Go see a couple cars run. There's not that many cars out here, and hopefully once it cools down, we can try it again and see how the car performs. Now this is some serious stuff right here, guys. Check that out. Craig Cock Racing. We've seen this car in the channel before. This one's a pro-charged Camaro. I think it runs, I think high 10s, low 11s. Man, this is a serious racing rig, and check out that bike, guys. Woo! Try out running this cop here, guys. Alright guys, check it out. We've got another 2019. Looks like it's all stock. Brand new on paper plates. Don't know if it's an auto or a manual. We'll see right now when it shifts. Looks like a manual, or could be an auto, but that one definitely sounds bone stock, and it runs 12.4 at 114. That's pretty much what mine was running. Mine ran at 12.2 at 114.5, so pretty close. Guys, check out this car here. I've seen these here a lot, but never with a turbo. This one's got a big old turbo right up in the back of it. See how this one does. Wow! 7.6 at 167. I thought he was gonna let off at the 8th, but he just kept going, and then something must have popped. Wow, that is crazy, guys. Check it out, guys. The brand new Supra on drag radials, and I believe this one's already tuned. They've got this one tuned on drag radials, so be interesting to see what this one will run. I've seen some videos of a tuned one in Florida. I believe it ran like a 12.1, so it'd be interesting to see. I believe this one's Euro charged. They've got no time, so we won't know what it runs, but it'd be interesting to see how it rolls out. All right, check out this huge turbo diesel and the Hellcat. Told y'all that diesel was gonna. Woo! 11.7 at 101. That diesel took off. Got a Nitrous single cab and looks like a Z06 on drag radials. Would have won either way. Yeah, he was just showing him what the guy. Stayed in it, stayed in it. Man, that truck spun all the way down and stayed in it. 12.1, 12.2. Man, that truck was spinning the whole way down. I don't know how he stayed in it. One of my favorite cars here, guys, the Firehawk, the Firebird, the Trans Am. Let's see what this one runs. Going up against a Fox body. It just spun. That Mustang is moving. 10.8 for the Mustang, 12.3 for the Trans Am. Ooh, check it out, guys. We've got the brand new Toyota Supra on drag radials tuned by Eurocharge of Texas, or here in Houston. They got no time, so we probably won't see the times on it, but at least we can see it launch. Guys, that's running up against a Hellcat, and that thing is right there with it. Alright guys, so it's been about 40 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into the car. Hopefully the line doesn't look like it's too bad, and we'll see what the car does. So the DA is gone back down a little bit more to 23,481. So that, along with the temperature being a little cooler, should get us, hopefully, fingers crossed, to an 11.5. I am gonna try stalling the car to about 1400 and see if it'll take off and launch a little bit harder to help us get into that 11.5 at 121. Okay, got a good burnout there. Got it in drive. Now we just got to make sure we stall it a little bit. Okay, that was good. Kept up with that really ultralight Corvette. Yep. Alright guys, so basically the exact same time, an 11.64 at 120.6. So didn't do any better that time. So it looks like I'm probably better off trying to just leave off of idle. So we'll try one more run, leaving off of idle, and see how that does. Alright guys, so we're gonna hot lap this thing again. Got the hood up so that it can kind of cool it down somewhat. And this time we're gonna just leave off of idle like we were before. I feel like that's the best way the car can take off, especially since the transmission's not tuned. When I stall it, it really like gives it that power shock right off the line, and the transmission kills all that and makes it harder to take off. So we're gonna go back and just idle it about 1100 RPM and try it again with the little slightly better DA, which is around 2200 now, and see just how it'll do. I'm fighting, guys. I'm trying to get that 11.59 at least, so we'll see. Man, these tires bite, guys. Woo! Was an RPM. Wow. Wow. Such a better launch that time. Yeah, that's really what this thing. And I didn't record it with the draggy. Woo. Wow, I forgot to record with my phone, so you guys are just gonna have this view here. But that was a much better launch on just off of idle. That's kind of where this car likes to launch with the stock transmission tune, guys. Let's see what it ran. I feel like we did a much better job this time. Fingers crossed. Oh, so close, so close. That was my best 60 foot, 1.73 and an 1161. Oh, so close, guys. Almost an 11.5. 1161 at 120.6. So the mile per hour has been pretty much consistent. And the only thing that's kind of improved or not improved has been the ET. And that's all based on the launch, guys. Man. Oh, so close. So close. But that's still really great, guys. Just swapping over to the skinny front runners and saving about 15 pounds on each corner netted us 1 full tenth, because my best previous time was an 11.71. So a full tenth of a second and pretty much almost that exact 1 mile an hour. So I'm very, very happy, very pleased. All right, guys, so here is the time slip, and as you guys can see, the best 60 foot, a 1.73 and 1161, so almost to an 11.5 and 120.6 miles an hour. So that is basically a full tenth off just by swapping over to Skinnies. So we are back home, and the car, again, I'm super excited, really happy with the results of the car. Whew. Literally just intake headers in E85 with a full actual drag pack, and it's running an 11.6 at almost 121. That is really, really awesome. I think I'm very excited, very happy. I can't wait to get the transmission tuned, and I think when the transmission finally gets tuned here in the next week or two and we go back to the track, this car will be running 11.3, 11.4s easily, because the transmission is cutting back all the power from the launch. As you guys saw, when you try to stall a little bit higher and give it that instant power off the line, the transmission says no, 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 and just kills the power. And your better times that I've seen have been right off of idle. So next on the agenda for this car is going to be the transmission tune. I'm going to be shipping out the ECU and doing all that so that we can get this loaded. I do have a video coming on that transmission tune and the whole process, so stick up to date to that. Again, if you haven't subscribed, guys, go ahead and subscribe, because I do a lot of this stuff and I'm trying to show you guys what the potential is for these new 2019 10-speed Camaro SS's. Now, I'm also going to do a video on the draggy GPS data recorder, so stay tuned for that one as well. But for now, guys, let me know in the comments down below what do you think. Are you impressed with the times? I'm very impressed with the gains that I saw, and the DA and everything was pretty much similar to when I ran last time without the Skinnies and using the other weld wheels. So the difference in ET and mile per hour are really truly from just swapping out those front tires to skinny drag radials. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys have a great one, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.